Hi there, and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian, and today we're going to look at the HYM430SPER roller lawnmower. Should you need to change the recoil start on your lawnmower, I will show you how that's done. It's quite a simple operation, this really. First thing we need to do is to remove two screws that hold this black plastic cover in place. So turning anti-clockwise with a crosshead screwdriver, I'll just remove that screw first, then the second screw over here behind the pull start handle, and that's the two screws removed. And simply lifting from the back, we can lift and pull away the plastic cover. This reveals the pull starter itself, or the recoil. Okay. Now you can use a 10mm spanner on this and undo the nuts anti-clockwise. They are down in a little recess, so I actually tend to use a little socket. And the same on this one. Okay, that's all the nuts loose, and I'll just remove the three nuts and put them to one side. And here we go. So to remove the old pull starter, we can simply price it up out of the way and remove the recoil unit. So replacement recoil units are readily available from our parts department. Okay, now there are three holes and it can go on one of three ways. Obviously you want the pull start handle to be back in the same place where it was before, so I can simply place it over the top of the three studs and push it down. If it doesn't engage, just give it a little pull and you'll find it will engage and drop down in position. So again, I replace the three nuts. That's two of them. And that's the third nut. And I'll simply retighten the three nuts. No need to go mad on the tightness, just nice and firmly tightened. Okay, so that's the recoil refitted. So the next thing we need to do is to refit the plastic cover. Now you need to refit this from the front back, and it has these little lugs all the way around that need to fit into the little slots in the blue part. So just starting at the front, popping them into position, and there we are, making sure the handle's on the outside, and oh, there it is, screwdriver rolled underneath the mower, and replace the two screws to hold the black cover on. That's one. And that's two. And that's the recoil assembly changed. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and happy gardening.